Tired of juggling tasks between ClickUp and Basecamp and feeling like your project management is a chaotic mess? Well, there isn't a direct, one-click integration between ClickUp and Basecamp. This video will show you the best workaround to streamline your workflow and maximize your potential in both platforms. First, within ClickUp, explore the integrations available. While you won't find Basecamp directly listed, this is where you'll manage connections with other tools that can bridge the gap. The key is using a connector tool like Zapier, or make these platforms allow you to create automated workflows between thousands of apps. We'll use Zapier for this example, but the principles are similar in make. Go to Zapier and create a new Zap. Select ClickUp as your trigger app. This means Zapier will monitor ClickUp for a specific event, like a new task being created or a task status changing. Choose your trigger event. A common example is new task, so every time a new task is created in ClickUp, Zapier will kick into action. Connect your ClickUp account and select the specific workspace and space you want to monitor. Now, select Basecamp as your action app. This tells Zapier what to do after the trigger event occurs in ClickUp. Choose the action you want to take in Basecamp. This could be creating a new to-do, creating a new project, or adding a comment to an existing to-do. Connect your Basecamp account and select the appropriate Basecamp project or to-do list. The most important step is mapping the data fields. This tells Zapier which information from ClickUp should be transferred to which fields in Basecamp. For example, you'll map the ClickUp task name to the Basecamp to-do title, the ClickUp task description to the Basecamp to-do description, and so on. Test your Zap thoroughly to ensure data is flowing correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn your Zap on. Now, whenever a new task is created in ClickUp, it will automatically create a corresponding to-do in Basecamp, keeping your projects synchronized. While this indirect integration requires a connector like Zapier, it's the most effective way to link ClickUp and Basecamp. Experiment with different triggers and actions to customize the workflow to your specific needs and boost your project management capabilities.